The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals are widely regarded as a powerful political vision that address the social, economic, and environmental pillars. A literature review suggests that there is an infinite in these action plans for sustainable development. There is an indispensable requirement for an inclusive and equitable quality education that could eradicate poverty in all of its forms and dimensions. The findings indicate that with quality education, there may be implications for job creation, competitiveness, as well as more social cohesion. Description of quality education in Malaysia. Malaysia's education system is unnaturally low in quality according to OECD cross-country surveys of the score of primary and secondary school students in basic skills. In the 2012, Malaysia's rank for mathematics, reading and science were 52, 59 and 53. There is a problem of accountability and competence of teachers in the Malaysian education system due to the absence of performance-based pay and the guarantee of lifelong employment.
The advantage of quality education is improving the economic development. Education will help you prepare for the employment in the high-skilled jobs of the fourth industrial revolution. It is because education raises people productivity and creativity and promotes entrepreneurship and technological advance. Therefore, it will increase the gross domestic product in Malaysia, which has been commonly used as a measure of economic growth. Therefore, education helps country grow economically. Poverty reduction. Education can help reduce poverty from being a vicious cycle. Families without educational resources are constrained to their life in poverty. It is because they do not have a job which causes them to have no financial resources to support their daily life. Therefore, people who grow up poor but educated themselves have a high chance to transform their life. Report has shown that better education policies can cut poverty. By properly educating new generations, poverty rates could reduce significantly.
Disadvantages of quality education in Malaysia. The disadvantages of quality education in Malaysia is lack of facilities and teacher shortage in rural areas. Education in rural areas is still at a low level due to lack of teachers and facilities that students in rural areas can afford. For example, education in rural area is far behind. In Sarawak, this lack of teaching staff of English subject and facilities is due to a shortage of teachers who are prepared and eager to teach in rural area. Aside from that, one of the disadvantages of quality education in Malaysia is lack institution with a scarcity of skilled TVET. In this day and age of globalization, the employment rate of recent graduates is very concerning because employers now prefer employees with technical qualification and do not believe that academic credentials alone are sufficient. Moreover, since this skill set contributes significantly to the national economy, the government should prioritize the development in this area.
Education is important for the future of a child. We have to upgrade quality education in Malaysia. The first step is getting hired is not only limited to those teaching degrees but also from those other fields if they are compatible with the job. For example, in Sarawak, there is a shortage of teacher jobs. With this, we can solve the problem. Second is the implementation of TVET. National government needs to establish strategies and approach corresponding to the preparedness of countries to tackle the issue in different fields, especially in education. Few suggestions have started, such as school-based TVET, have a comprehensive at high and secondary schools, vocational and technical schools, and non-school-based centers. It is typically run by ministry and agencies such as MARA. We need employers to recognize TVET qualification. Most important of all is the commitment from all parties involved in the development of country's human resources by making TVET a first choice of education rather than education for the second half of high school graduate. Because TVET is a branch of education that a nation is able to achieve a desire to become an industrialist nation.
Education system in Malaysia. The education system may be a comprehensive system that addresses all aspects of education within the country at the state, district and community level. A brief description of the level of the learning system in Malaysia is that the education system in Malaysia starts with preschool education, primary and secondary education. Now the Malaysia education system is the one of the best in the world. As a consequence, our country education system is the best in the world. This has piqued the interest of students from all over the world in continuing their study in Malaysia.
We gain knowledge of the fourth sustainable development goals on quality education, Malaysia education system, advantage and disadvantage of quality education, and strategy of how to solve the problems. In conclusion, ensuring quality higher education is one of the most important things we can do for the future generations. Each strategy has advantage and disadvantage that need to be achieved. With the hope of improvement and advantage, we can be more successful and increasingly developing the national economy. Nelson Mandela, the former president of the South Africa, once says education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world.